Here's how to sort data in Apple numbers. If you're working with a spreadsheet that has a long list of numbers or dates and you want to organize them, here's how to do it. Let's open this sample spreadsheet. As you'll see, I have columns for month, revenue, and expenses. Now, let's say I want to sort the list by date. Maybe it's all mixed up, and I want December 2025 to appear first. An easy way to do this is to tap the column you want to sort. For example, if I tap column A, the whole column is selected. Then, over on the right, there's a small drop-down arrow. Click it. From there, you can quickly sort the column. Tap Sort Descending to bring the most recent dates to the top, and you'll see that all the rows adjust accordingly. You can also choose Sort Ascending if you want the earliest dates first. Now let's say I want to find the month with the lowest revenue. I'll click on column B, which has the revenue numbers. I can use that same quick sort, or for more control, I can go to Show Sort Options. This opens up more sorting features. In this menu, you can choose to sort the selected rows by different columns: month, revenue, or expenses. So I'll choose revenue and sort it in descending order. If I want, I can also add another sort condition. For example, sort by month after revenue. Once I apply the sort, the spreadsheet updates and keeps all the data aligned. You'll see November 2025 might show up at the top, and the month with the lowest revenue, like June 2025 with $800, ends up at the bottom. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.